The sun already rose high into Gigarao City, but the victims of massive flooding brought by the heavy rains of Typhoon Lando are yet to recover to what they describe as one of the worst flooding that happened in the city. Flood of this part of Gigarao City has already subsided, but as soon as the residents went home and checked their areas, they are now facing challenge picking up the pieces. Residents started going home on Wednesday as the flood goes down. Most of them had left their appliances and furniture because the flood water rushed in quickly to residential areas. Boyet Burme, a resident of Centro 10 in Tugigaraw, lost his 3 livestock pigs during the onslaught of Typhoon Lando. His wife was half submerged by the flood on Sunday dawn.
Konting tulong lang naman meron. Kinakailangan namin ng mga bigas, pagkain at mga damit.
Some just started cleaning up their houses, picking up what still can be used and throwing away what cannot already be used. Some residents also complained that they were not advised that the flood would go as high as their roof. Boyet Arrow said they were not told by the officials that the Magat Dam will release great amount of water.
Ang gusto lang namin na iparating, sana kung may mga ganong mga pangyayari, dapat magbigay sila ng advisory kung ano yung oras na, takdang oras talaga na pagbubukas nila, lalo na sa pagbubukas ng gate ng dam, para yung mga malapit sa may pwedeng mabaha, makapag-prepare.
Most residents said they already received relief goods from the government, but some complained that not a single pack have reached them. Corn, rice, and vegetable crops have also been destroyed by the flood. About 36 million damage in agriculture and 5,000 affected farmers have been initially reported by the city accountant. The City Council of Tugigaraw has already passed a resolution on Tuesday declaring the city under state of calamity also due to flooding. Mayor Jefferson Soriano said about 2 villages and 3 schools are still flooded as of Tuesday evening. 23 villages were submerged to head-high flood water on Sunday. No casualty was reported in the city. Raymond Uliana, Rappler.